Hey guys, I will show you how I made this invitation on Canva using mobile phone. Make sure you have already downloaded the asset from this Google Drive so you can follow along. First, we need to install the font on Canva. Just tap More, Brand Kit, then Fonts. Hit the plus icon, Upload, and select the font you've downloaded from Google Drive earlier. Now, let's create the invitation. Just tap here and add your texts. Now change the font to Hello Headline. Now, change the background by tapping the canvas and change the color to 7BC 9FE. Now change the text color to white. Now let's adjust line spacing so it looks balanced. Now let's duplicate this text by tapping here. I'll leave this part empty so we can place the logo there later. Now let's duplicate this and add your details. For this one, we'll add background. Just tap Effects and select Background. Now let's change the color to 1D5374. Now let's duplicate this and add your details. Now let's change the color again to this one. Now duplicate this and change the background to white for contact details. Now let's change the color again to this one. Now let's put all the text and details below. Now let's remove the danger zone guidelines for now, so they're not distracting. Just tap the three dots, go to Settings, and uncheck danger zone detection. Now let's increase the size of this text. Now let's expand the contact details background to create more breathing room. Now tap the gallery and select the Bluey and Bingo image you downloaded from Google Drive. Now let's adjust the image so it's not overlapping the text. Just go to Layers, then tap, hold and drag it to the top of the layers. Adjust the image and text like this. And now let's include the Bluey logo. place it to the empty space above, just like this. Now let's add the last image for the background. Just crop the right part and place it like this. Select the cloud, hit duplicate and move it to the right to balance out your design. Now, select your text and add a shadow like this to make it really pop. Just follow along and copy exactly what I'm doing. Next, let's add an address icon. Head over to Elements, search for Map Pin, and pick your favorite. Now change the color and place it beside the address. And that's it! Your invitation is officially ready. Just hit export, then download, and you're all set for the party. Thank you for watching. Just comment, what should I do next?